Tears and anger in the outskirts of Democratic Republic of Congo's capital Kinshasa on Wednesday after a high-tension power cable snapped, killing 26 people according to authorities. The accident happened when lightning struck the high-voltage cable during a storm on Wednesday morning, the National Electricity Company said. It then fell on houses and a market. Visiting the scene, Prime Minister Jean-Michel Sama-Lukonde said the cable had fallen in pools of water where women were selling produce. He offered condolences to the grieving families on behalf of the president. Unauthenticated videos shared online appeared to show several bodies lying in puddles of water where they had fallen. A government spokesman said 24 women and 2 men had died, and that another 2 people were seriously injured. Muriel Grace says one of those killed was her sister. She had been moved to this location from closer to the main road, Grace said, adding that the authorities need to find a solution. Power cables frequently collapse in Kinshasa, a city of 13 million people where infrastructure is outdated and neighborhoods sprawl into areas not intended for homes.